One, two, three. Get some. Ping, 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 ping. Our favorite Filipino ketchup. That's the secret, the Filipino ketchup. Dami, no? Teka nga. The secret is Filipino ketchup. Mukhang sarap. Oh, talaga! Magsisi ka lang, Sir Eduardo. Hindi masarap yan. Naku, hindi ko favorite ang ketchup. Masarap to! This is good. You will forget your name when you eat this. Like this. Oh, ha?